Tasks are different to all other types of entity within XSOL InOrder, in that they have two different areas that you can enter user notes in. In the left-hand tasks pane, you can see all the parent tasks, i.e. the original tasks created which can be assigned to different processes. We find register receipt of invoice. We can see that it clearly has a note upon it, and looking in its property sheet, we can see that it has notes. When I select an instance of that task, however, you will see that its property sheet changes. The instance is the particular example of a task that is being used within a process. Each task instance has all of the properties of its parent, which can be seen in blue. Here we can see that our task instance has the parent tasks note. And if we look in the tree designer, we can see that it also has the note icon. However, if I collapse the parent task properties, we can see that the instance itself has its own set of notes. And here I can enter a separate procedure note. When I press OK, this second note is saved, and the icon that is shown against the task instance changes. Now that task instance has both its own instance note and the parent note. In this way, a task instance can have a very specific note attached to it, which will not be seen on any other instances of that task. This differs from the parent task note, which is seen on all instances of the task throughout the process model. In the generated outputs, task instance notes always replace the parent task notes. That is, unless you modify the outputs to enable both to appear at the same time. Task instance notes, therefore, are a way of providing specific information to a task in one location when that task itself may be visible in multiple parts of the model.